Today discuss the chapter matter based on icse class 6. At first discuss the summary, total summary of the matter. After that discussion, follow the note, that is many types of the question, that is fill in the blanks, true, false, choose the correct option and question answer. First part, that is the first item, summary discuss. That is, my dear viewers, this table is the total concept, that is the summary of this matter. It is a very conceptual part. Now the solid, the molecules in the are tightly packed. Solid have definite shape and volume. Solid are hard and rigid. Solid are not easily compressible. Solid do not diffuse. Okay. Next the part for the liquid. Liquid, the molecule are loosely packed. Okay. Liquid do not have a definite shape but have a definite volume. Liquid are compressible unlike solids. Liquid diffuse slowly. Liquid flow from a higher level to lower level. Next for the gas. The gas molecules are very loosely packed. Gas neither have definite shape nor a definite volume. Gas diffuse rapidly. Gas can be compressed to a high extent. Now, solid convert to liquid. The process melting. Again, liquid to convert solid. This process name freezing. Liquid to gas convert the process vaporization. Gas to liquid, the conversion process condensation. Again, solid to gas, no intermediate state, that is liquid state. This process name sublimation. Again, gas convert to solid, no intermediate step. This process name deposition. This part is the very conceptual for this chapter matter. Now show the note we discuss many types of the question. Okay, my dear viewers, any query, any problem, please comment in box. Try to reply yourself. Okay. Now the skin. Question pattern, define the following term. First, sublimation. Okay, sublimation. The process of conversion of a solid into gas without the formation of the intermediate state. Next question, vaporization. The process of conversion of a liquid into gas by the absorption of heat from the surrounding. Next question, intermolecular distance. The distance between the molecules of a substance is called intermolecular distance. Okay, my dear viewers. Next question, intermolecular force. The molecules in a substance are held together by a force called intermolecular force. Next, condensation. The process of conversion of a gas into liquid upon cooling. Okay. Next question part. This is the part for melting. Next question. The process of conversion of a solid into liquid upon heating. Fizzing. The process of conversion of a liquid into solid upon cooling. Okay. Boiling. The process of conversion of a liquid into gas when subjected to heat externally. Diffusion. Diffusion means the diffusion is the movement of a substance from one area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. Okay, diffusion occurs in liquids and gases when their particles collide randomly and spread out. Example, perfumes of a flower that quickly permeates the still air of a room. Next question, the defined part, that is Brownian movement. The random movement of microscopic particles suspended in liquids or gases resulting from the impact of molecules of the surrounding medium. Okay, my dear viewers. Next question pattern. Give the example for each of the following. First, condensation. Okay, morning dew on glass, cloud in sky, rain falling down, fog in air, visible breath in cold condition, fogging a mirror, steamy bathroom mirror, moisture bath on car windows. Okay, next, sublimation. Example, dry ice, that is carbon dioxide can be liquefied first and then frozen to make dry ice. Next example, snow in mountain, the disappearance of naphthalene, that is arsenic treatment and iodine treatment. Okay, arsenic treatment and iodine treatment mainly used in the medical purpose. Okay, next example of chemical change. Okay, example, burning of paper and lot of wood, digestion of food, boiling an egg, chemical battery use, electroflooding of metal, baking of cake. Okay, next question, that is the example of explanation. First example, iron tools are heated before they are fitted with wooden handles. Due to heating, the iron tools expand and the ring present at the center of such tool increase in diameter. Next example of expansion, when liquid boils, it splits out of container, that is container, if the burn is not turned off. This is due to expansion. Okay, next example of construction. Okay, first example, as a iron tools cool, the ring contracts to its original diameter and fits firmly onto the wooden handle. Second example of construction, when the burner is turned off, the heated supply is cut and the expansion stops. Okay, the milk begins to cool down. Due to cooling, due to cooling, the milk contracts and comes back to its previous level. Okay, previous level. That is the example of construction. Next question, differentiate between the following. First, melting and freezing. Okay, melting, the process of conversion of a solid into liquid upon heating. Freezing, the process of conversion of a liquid into solid upon cooling. Okay, my dear viewers, understand this part. Next, difference between the vaporization and condensation. Okay, vaporization is the process in which the liquid is vaporized into a gas. Okay, condensation is the process in which the vapors are converted back to its liquid. Okay, that is the converted back to liquid. Okay, next difference between element and compound. Okay, elements are substances that are pure in their nature and are composed of a single atom. Example, that is H for hydrogen, He for helium, Li for lithium, B for beryllium, B for boron, C for carbon, etc. Compounds are also pure substances that are composed of the elements in definite properties. Example, sugar. Okay, sugar composition C, H and O, that is carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Table salt, that is sodium chloride composition Na, sodium, Cl, that is chlorine. Water H2O composition of element hydrogen and oxygen. Carbon dioxide CO2 composition carbon and oxygen. Sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda NaHCO3 composition sodium Na, hydrogen H, carbon oxygen and O oxygen. C for carbon, O for oxygen. Next difference part, that is expansion and contraction. Okay, the increase in the size of an object on heating is called expansion, whereas the decrease in size of an object on cooling is called contraction. An example of an expansion is an extra three-room built into a house, whereas an example of construction in a liquid is a thermometer. Okay, next difference part, an atom, a molecule. A smallest particle that make of a substance or matter is called an atom. Example, hydrogen atom. Molecule, when two or more atoms combine, they form a molecule. Molecules are made up of atoms of either the same kind or different kinds. Example, water molecule containing both hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. Next question pattern, that is give the reason for the following question. Very important for the concept. First, solid are hard and rigid. What rigid? Explanation. First, solid have a definite volume and shape. Okay, my dear viewers, they are rigid and lack the ability to flow. That is not flow the like to liquid. This is because of the molecules in the solid are very closely packed, therefore the intermolecular force among them will the much higher than liquid and gas. Okay, any query? Please comment in box. Okay, next question. Liquids takes the shape of the container. Explain, that is the causes of this part. The forces between liquid particles are weaker than the force between solid particles. This means that liquid particles are further apart and can move about more easily. Okay, since the particles can move, understand, the liquid can flow and take the shape of its container. Okay, next question. Molecules in a gas can move around freely in any direction. That is all direction movement. Okay. Reason first point. The particles of a gas are constantly moving in all the direction with different speed. Therefore, they do not have a fixed volume and hence completely fill the vessel in which they are kept. Number 2 point. The molecules of a gas are free to move randomly in all directions. Okay. Next question. Chemical change are mostly permanent. What reason? Explanation. When two or more substances undergo chemical change, the bond between the atom of the reactant are broken. This atom rearranges to form a new product or a new substance. This process cannot be reversed, that is, returned to initial state by the simple method. So, it is irreversible. Okay. For example, irreversible example for a digestion. Okay. Hence, chemical change or permanent change. Okay. Next question. In case of expansion, the size of substance increase on heating. What reason? Explanation. The size of a substance increase when heated because on heating the particles of substance start moving faster due to the increasing in kinetic energy of the particles of substance. So it breaks the attraction between the particles. Hence, it started expansion. That is expanding. Okay. Next question. Change the question pattern. Answer the following question in brief. What is matter and what are its properties? Okay, my dear viewers. Now discuss. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. The three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. The characteristics of matter, that is, any characteristics that can be measured, such as an object, density, color, mass, volume, length, etc. Okay, this is the part for property of matter. Next question, that is, what is matter composed of? Okay, answer. Matter is made of atoms and molecules which are then subdivided into proton, neutrons and electron. Okay. Next question. What is different between intermolecular distance, intermolecular force? And share intermolecular force part, that is, molecule in a substance are held together by a force called intermolecular force. Intermolecular distance part, that is the distance between the molecules of a substance is called intermolecular distance. Next question, what is coercive force? Concession Coercive force, that is, referred to the attraction of molecules for other molecules of the same kind, and water molecules have strong coercive force thanks to their ability to form hydrogen bond with one another. Next question, write down the property of solid, that is the characteristics of solid. Solids are definite mass, volume, and safe. Short intermolecular distance, strong intermolecular force, The constituent particles remain fixed at their positions and can only oscillate about their main positions. Solid are incompressible and rigid, high density. Okay, write down the property of liquid. That is the characteristics of liquid. Liquid have a fixed volume but no fixed shape. Okay, liquid can be compressed. Large pressure is required to compress them. Liquid have lesser density than solid. Intermolecular force of attraction is weaker than solid. Next question, write down the property of gases, that is the characteristics of gases. The molecule of gases are very loosely packed. Gases neither have a definite shape nor a definite volume. Gas diffuse rapidly. Gas can be compressed to a high extent. Gas also pro. Next question, how to solid, liquid and gaseous substance show compressibility. Very important concept. My dear viewers, solid are non-compressible and have constant volume and constant shape. Okay, liquid are non-compressible and have constant volume but can change shape. But gases do not have a constant volume or shape. They not only take the shape of the container they are in, they try to fill the empty container. Understand, my dear viewers? Okay. Next question pattern. Answer the following question in details. Question, what is chemical change? Give an example. Write the characteristics, that is the feature of the chemical change. Okay. First, the chemical change definition. The changes in which new substance with new chemical property are formed are called chemical changes. Example, a reaction between washing soda and lemon juice in which carbon dioxide and other substances are formed. Characteristics of the chemical change. The important characteristics are evolution of gas, formation of precipitate, change in color, change in temperature and change in the state. Next question, what is physical change? Give the example, write the characteristics of physical change. First, definition of the physical change. What is the physical change? The changes in which only physical properties, example for physical property, example for color or density, etc. Property of substance are changed and no new substance are formed is called a physical change. It is reversible change, that is change to initial to final, final to initial. Example, boiling, freezing of water. Characteristics of physical change, that is the properties of physical change. No new substance are formed. Reversible change. Chemical property of the substance remaining the same, that is no change of chemical property. Change in color, shape, size and state. Next question, that is the last question for this part. Explain the arrangement of molecule in solid, liquid and gas. Gas are well separated with no regular arrangement. Liquid are close together with no regular arrangement. Solid are tidal effect, usually in a regular pattern. It is a very important concept in this part, that is the chapter matter. My dear viewers, please comment in box. Try to solve your comment. Okay. Thank you, my dear viewers. Okay. Any query? Again repeated. Any query? Please comment in box. Thank you, my dear viewers. Okay. Tata.